Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter number 9, the excretory system. In this chapter, we will study about the excretion, the different organs that take part in the process of excretion, formation of urine, and we will study the components of urine also. Now first, let us see what is excretion. Excretion is removal of harmful nitrogenous waste from the body. It is more appropriate to use the term urinary system instead of excretory system because in excretory system we study about the formation and elimination of urine from the body. Excretion should not be confused with defecation. Defecation is removal of undigested food through rectum, while excretion is removal of nitrogenous waste in the form of urine. Now there are many substances which need to be eliminated from the body. First is carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water are formed in all the living cells of body during the process of aerobic respiration. Carbon dioxide is eliminated through lungs and water is eliminated in the form of sweat. Then comes the nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste are in the form of urea, uric acid and ammonia. These products are converted. All the nitrogenous waste are converted into urea in liver, and then they go to the kidneys, and in kidneys formation of urine takes place, and that is excreted out from the body. Then comes excess salt. Excess of salts also need to be eliminated from the body. So these excess of salts are eliminated. They are eliminated in the form of, they are the components of urine. They are filtered by kidney and they are excreted out from the body. Then water. Water is although very necessary for all the parts, but water is also, excess of water is also needed to be eliminated. And you know that all the waste products, they are transported when they are dissolved in water. Then bile pigments. Bile pigments are formed when the dead RBCs are decomposed. Actually, the hemoglobin part of RBCs is broken down and bile pigments are formed. So these bile pigments, especially the bilirubin, it gives yellow brown color to the feces. It is excreted out from the body. Now let us see the excretory system. Excretory system involves kidneys. 2 kidneys. These are the main excretory organ of our body. These kidneys are present in the abdominal region, and shape of these kidneys is bean shaped. So kidney is a primary excretory organ, right? Then skin. Skin also plays important role in excretion because it helps in producing sweat. So in the form of sweat, excess of salts, water and a little amount of urea is also excreted out from the body. Then comes lungs. From lungs, carbon dioxide is expelled out from the body. Then comes liver. Liver detoxifies ammonia and it converts it into urea. Ammonia is more toxic, so it converts it into less toxic substance, that is urea. Then urea is excreted through urine. Now let us see the structure of kidneys.